Hello there. Well, let's just start drawing a stuff here. For example, we want a line. If you are not familiar uh, from the command line, you can just simply use this. Okay, I want to draw this and that and this and that. Looks like pointless, huh? But as you can see, we have drawn a line. Okay, let's delete that. You select this, and then you press delete. Okay, I want to draw a organized line. For example, starting at the origin for 0, 0, 0 of our uh, model space, for example. So normally you would be typing line, but as you go further, you just type L. It's the shortcut. Okay, so the first point would be 0 and 0, 0, comma 0. Okay, so the next point, if we want to draw a line that has an angle, as you can see, that's 23, 25, 26, 30. You do this that way, this way. But if we want a perfectly straight line along the x-axis, we enable this ortho mode. For example, we want a length of 10. So it ends then, but it still has a link. So we press the escape button on the keyboard. So it's gone. So the next step would be connecting a line on the end of our drawn line. As you can observe, it would be very hard for us to draw the exact point where we can land our cursor. The secret is this one. We enable this object snap. We can easily determine the end point of the line we drawn, and then we can draw a line, for example 10 along the y-axis and 10 and then C. Okay, that's for close. If you want to delete, for example, just press E, short for erase, and then you can also press spacebar. Okay, I hope you can hear that, remember that. For zooming in and out, for example, I have a line. You can use this one, but for the professionals, aside from using the scroll, we use the zoom command, or simply Z. Spacebar. We're gonna select, but for me, I usually use the E for short for extents. So you will see beyond the extents of the drawn line or set of shapes. Okay, let me see what I have to show you. Okay, so that's one. After that, you can use also the zoom and zoom in, zoom out using the scroll. See, if you're not familiar, you're not comfortable with the grid lines, you can deselect this. See, it's more. We can see more the line that we drawn. So I hope you learned. As I can imagine that you can already draw your line. So for the next video, I will show you some basic shapes.